40 years ago, music came from these. Milk came in glass bottles, and Nana's place was the place to be. At Avon Valley Dairy, we don't hand milk anymore. We don't store our milk in a vat. We don't send it away in a bulk truck. And we definitely don't add anything to it. Our milk goes straight from the cow to the bottle filler. And our milk still comes in glass bottles. All we do then is heat the milk to pasteurise it, but it is not homogenised. We quickly chill it to ensure its freshness, and it's in shops within hours, not days. There was movement in the laneway, the word had got around. Fresh hay had just arrived, and this was no place to stay. The cattle were on their way, yet some decided to make a stand. When down came Clancy to lend a hand. And some things never change. Nana's place is still the place to be.